Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out our second Allure beauty box. This just came in the mail today, so let's check it out with me and see what's going on in here. If you don't know, Allure beauty box comes out every month and it's a recurring charge of $15 plus tax, depending on where you live. So let's just not even waste any time and jump right into it. So just opened it up and this is what we're looking at this month. I'm not sure who is on the cover of our little pamphlet today, but she is looking pretty cute. So let's see what we've got going in here. The first thing I notice is this Allure Cosmetics lip gloss. And this is just roaming around free in the box. And we've got more goodies in there, so that's exciting. So I have the shade Vibe today. Can you see that? Let me know below if my voice sounds like a teenage boy or if my lighting is getting any better. I've been tweaking things a little bit. Honestly, I'm just so cheap I don't want to buy a lighting kit. So that's my life. Okay, so this is a very, very nude, like almost the same color as my skin. I'm not going to swatch this because I know that it is absolutely too light for me. I have a Jeffree Star color almost exactly like that. So I'm going to put this down here in my box so that someone else might be able to utilize that. Now, according to our little pamphlet here, that is $20. Woo! I don't know a lot about Allure. I used to have a, it was like a lip subscription that they only gave you lip products, and I got a couple of Allure things in there, but I really didn't like the subscription, so I got rid of it. So anyway, in the bottom of the box is a $60 gift card to HelloFresh. I actually had HelloFresh and I left them because their customer service sucks. Their food actually is really good. The plan is really good. It's a little pricey, but totally worth it if, you know, cooking is one of your things and you don't really have the time to go to the grocery store. So if anyone is interested, boom, there's a code because I won't go back to them. So anyways, thanks for that, Allure. Now let's get into this little bag here. So it's like a bright orange, and let's pop it open. Now, whew, Lord mama, my nose is itchy. The first thing I see in here is super awesome. This is a Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Face Spritz. This is, how big is this? This is 0.47 ounces, and this retails for $30 for the full size. I know it does, and I actually have the self-tanning, the gel, the water gel right here, and I love it. I've been using it, absolutely love it. When you put it on, it's a water-based gel, so it's not sticky, it doesn't stink, it actually smells pretty good for the first like 3 or 4 hours, and then it starts to smell like self-tan, but it develops in 3 hours. You can shower after that, it doesn't stain, it doesn't transfer, super awesome. So I'm sure that this face self-tanner is going to be just as amazing. So thanks. I'm really loving this subscription, guys. So just so you know, I'm totally digging it. I'm happy that I went to this from Boxy. So I'm totally happy. The next thing we got is a Monaco Eye Lights metallic eyeshadow. It says St. Bart's on there. I wonder if that is the, yeah, St. Bart's is the shade. I can't get it out of the box. Okay, and it is like a peachy bronze. And this retails for $12. I'm just gonna swatch this. I used to not be into liquid eyeshadows, but here lately they're just so easy. And most of them are pretty like crease proof, transfer proof, all of that stuff. This shade is like a rose gold, peachy, bronze, like that's a whole lot of colors in there, but it's gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Totally gonna use that maybe tomorrow. The next thing we have is a Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. Let's see. So this, the full size, retails for $35. I like Laneige. They're actually really nice. This is a tiny little 0.2 fluid ounce sample, but that's a pretty decent, I mean, well, I was gonna say it's a pretty decent size sample, but there's only product in it too, like about right there. So we might get a week of try out of this, but that's generally enough to let you know if you like it or not. So I'm gonna put that away. I actually have so many moisturizers open right now. Oh, it's ridiculous. My hair is fading out. I have a wedding to go to in like 2 weeks. So I've gotta, like, you know, have the normal hair for the wedding and whatever, because it's not my wedding, so we gotta be nice for people's pictures, for normal people's pictures. The next thing we have here is pretty large. This is Lue by Jean Seo. It's called Erase, a cleansing and exfoliating and brightening powder. That's like huge. There is, what does it say? This is 2 ounces, y'all. I've never heard of this brand. This retails for $15. Made with milk powder and oats. So you mix it with water, apply it, wait for a minute, massage it away. So, and it just smells clean. It's a very light scent. It doesn't really smell like too much of anything. Well, that's awesome. Who doesn't need a good exfoliator? I mean, I'm always going through them. So we'll try it. And the last thing in our Allure beauty box this month, for the month of May, it's already May, y'all. I just can't believe it, is this Amore Pacific Moisture Bound Rejuvenating Cream. We got 2 moisturizers? Ooh. Okay, what is this? And this is a variant. There could have been, I guess, 3 different things here. So this, oh my gosh, the full size of this is $150. Goes on like a cream, sinks in like a serum. Okay. Ooh, that is a very tiny sample. I mean, okay. Like, look, it looks like a significant size like this, but this is 0.27 fluid ounces. It has a little mirror on the top. It's super cute. But it's like so tiny. It's like a bottle cap. It smells like old ladies. But for $150, it better keep me from ever getting old. So we'll see. Like I said, I have so many moisturizers open. It's going to be a little while before I get a chance to try this out. Anyway, that was this month's box from Allure. What did y'all think? Did you get it? Did you get a different variation? I think this month my favorite things are going to be the Saint Tropez self-tanning face mist and the eye lights from Model & Co. That color, y'all, it's just like, oh, it's calling to me. I can't wait. So go ahead, shout off down below and let me know what you got in your box, if you got a box this month. If not, I want to know why. Why not? Like, you should be getting a box. This is like, I'm loving it. So anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.